Good morning, class 8. We are in chapter sound, and today I am going to teach you how sound produced by humans. Humans produce sound in the larynx of our throats. The larynx has two vocal cords which are folds of tissue with a slit like opening between them. When we speak, air passes through the opening and vocal cords vibrate to produce sound. You can also touch vocal cord and feel how this work or how the vibration produced in our throat. Women have shorter vocal cords about 15 long and the men have longer vocal cords than women about 20 long. Children have very short vocal cord. This is why That is why the frequency of sound produced by women and children is of higher frequency than sound produced by men. So, this is all about sounds produced by humans, and from this topic we understand when we speak, air passes through the opening and the vocal cords vibrate to produce sound. Women have shorter vocal cords than men. Let us start another important topic, which is musical sound. Regular vibration produce musical sound, whereas irregular vibration produce noise. So, I repeat, regular vibration produce musical sound which feel like pleasant sound, whereas irregular vibration produce noise which feel unpleasant. However, this is not all. Listen to sound produced by a tuning fork and the sound of the same fundamental produced by a sitar. The tuning fork sounds flat, whereas the sitar sound rich, and this is because the sound produced by the tuning fork has only one frequency. It has no harmonics. We already know about fundamental and harmonics. Okay, so here we are talking about regular vibration. Sitar produced regular vibration, that's why it produced musical sound and that feel pleasant. The sound from a sitar has a number of harmonics. They arise partly because it is not just the string that is vibrating, but the whole instrument vibrating. And it is the sound of vibration of the whole instrument that we hear. We are not hearing the vibration of only string. we hear the sound of or the vibration of whole instrument. Thus, harmonics give richness, musical quality of the sound. Okay. To produce music, the different notes played should have a definite relation to each other and their frequencies should have a certain ratio to each other. If they do not, the music sound out of the tune. In the musical scale, 8 notes make up an octave. Okay, so there are some tunes are available in musical instrument and their frequencies should have a certain ratio. If they do not, the musical sound out of the tune, they become like unpleasant or irregular sound. Okay, these notes that are in order of increasing frequency. In Indian culture, these frequencies or the octaves are as follow: sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dhe, ni, sa. So these are 8 notes makes up an octave and this is the musical scale, okay, of instrument in our country. Do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do. This is in western side. The notes are there. The first note can be of any frequency, but the other note must have a definite relation with first frequency. Okay. There is certain ratio and a fixed ratio between two consecutive notes. Okay. Let us talk about some musical instruments. Musical instruments use vibration of various kinds of produce music. Depending on the kinds of vibrations produced, they are of 3 types: stringed, wind and percussion instrument. So let us see stringed instrument, wind instrument and percussion instrument. Okay, we will discuss it in next lecture.